Did you know you could get paid to translate online? It's a growing, increasingly popular, and lucrative career path. So continue watching to learn what you'll want to know. Welcome back to SideHustlr, the YouTube channel for entrepreneurs and freelancers looking for practical tips and inspiration to build a successful side hustle. So let's get started. A translator can earn at least $51,830 per year on average. That's a handsome amount to make. According to statistics, the employment rate for translators is expected to grow by more than 20% over the next decade. The demand for language skills has been increasing since the dawn of the globalization era. With thousands of multinational corporations worldwide, there are more opportunities in the translation business than ever before. As an online translator, you can provide your bilingual skills to companies and authors who wish to translate their content and reach a wider audience. If you're fortunate enough to be bilingual, here are some ideas for making extra money from online translations. We will be covering the following in this video: platforms for independent translators, making a glossary, translation commissions, real-time translation jobs, more online money-making opportunities. What exactly is the job of a translator? A translator's job is to accurately convey the message of a written text from one language to another. It's frequently confused with interpreting, which is similar. However, interpreters do not work with written texts. Instead, interpreters translate into real-time live sessions. Translators primarily work with written materials such as letters, reports, articles or blogs, and books. Using freelance platforms to find online translation jobs is one option. These act as a go-between for companies or individuals needing translations and freelance translators. You post your profile and services and pitch for advertised jobs. The platform takes a small commission on any work you complete, but it's an excellent place to start if you're looking for new clients. Let's look at a few. Fiverr is one of the world's most well-known freelance platforms. With over 14 million users, it's a free and dependable platform. While the jobs available here range from graphic design to video editing, translation and transcription are among the most common. Creating an account and setting your fees based on the project's duration or hourly rate is simple. To use Fiverr, you must optimize your profile and write a compelling opening statement about your offering, or gig, Fiverr's term for providing services. It takes some effort to get started, but once you get a client, make sure they leave you a positive review. People per hour is similar to Fiverr in that it acts as a middleman between freelancers and businesses. Start by creating a profile describing your services and rates. Then, pitch for jobs. This website also has a section where companies list urgent jobs you can apply for within minutes. As a result, one of the platform's most vital attributes is that you can sometimes get work almost immediately. Tomeeds is a translation company that offers business translation, certified translation, website translation, and other services. These fields provide numerous freelance opportunities. After passing the requirements and tests, there's a chance of getting regular projects from a company. That means a steady stream of jobs for someone who works with the correct language pairs. Lionbridge provides content, translation, testing, and artificial intelligence services. All of these fields offer numerous freelance opportunities. With a wide range of translation jobs available, this platform is another excellent option for establishing a new income stream as a freelance translator. Lionbridge pays its translators between $20 to $35 per hour, according to Glassdoor. Aclero is a translation service provider that is always looking for new freelancers. Unlike other freelance platforms, Aclero only works with experienced freelancers. This means you'll be able to find higher-paying jobs. It works like an agency, with Aclero paying you rather than individual clients. Most of their job openings require a literature degree, language qualifications, or prior translation experience, so this may be a higher barrier to entry for some. Aclero's annual salaries range from $43,000 to $47,000 per year. When you think of being an online translator, you probably envision large amounts of text that need to be translated. However, this doesn't have to be the case. You should create a glossary if you speak 2 languages and have extensive knowledge and vocabulary in a specific field. English, French, Spanish is a successful example of this practice. It focuses on macroeconomics, money, and accounting terms, and the new hardcover edition costs $62 on Amazon. A glossary can be something other than career-related. Yours can be about anything that interests you. Other examples include El Jefe's English-Spanish Basketball Glossary, the Harry Potter Glossary, the Stand-Up Comedy Glossary, the Surfing Terms and Surf Slang Glossary, and so on. You can write a glossary about anything, as long as you have a solid understanding of your chosen subject in both languages. You can make good money online by translating a book if you're confident in your linguistic abilities. Translation royalties may be claimed depending on the terms of your agreement with the author. As a result, every time a copy of the book is sold, you will receive a percentage of the proceeds. This opens up an opportunity to earn excellent passive income. Although literary translations can be challenging, it's critical to be proactive. Writers will not trust other people with their books unless they know who they are. Therefore, you must contact them and introduce yourself. While getting your first job can be challenging, the rewards are plentiful. One project can generate enough money for you in the long run without you having to do any extra work. As a result, it's worth considering spending more time up front to collect more in the future. Real-time translators are also high in demand. If you speak 2 languages fluently, you can use this to offer your services as an interpreter. There are numerous opportunities to use your language skills as a live translator, ranging from police interviews to participating in international online business meetings. More jobs are available online than ever before, so you can work as an online translator even if you're in a different city than someone. This is exceptionally beneficial for businesses seeking international clients. You can join their Zoom calls and directly translate the conversation on both sides to ensure a deal is reached. The average monthly salary on these websites ranges from $1,000 to $4,000, and they all offer flexible hours. So, if translating isn't your thing, there are still plenty of other ways to monetize your linguistic skills. All you have to do is try. Translating work can often be done remotely, so you can choose your schedule and work at your own pace. This can be especially useful if you have other commitments or are looking to earn extra income on the side. The demand for translators is increasing as the world becomes more interconnected and businesses and organizations seek to communicate with a broader audience. Translating can be a rewarding career, as you get to work with various texts and help people communicate across languages and cultures. Depending on your language skills and the translating work you do, you may be able to earn an excellent hourly or per-word rate. Overall, translating can be a great side hustle for anyone fluent in at least one other language and enjoys language and communication. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in making money with translating. Thanks for watching, and check out this other great video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.